Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is crucial. It is pronounced crucial, and it is spelled C-R-U-C-I-A-L. Think crew, and then cial. Crucial. Crucial means extremely important or necessary. For example, you could say, it was crucial that the superhero stopped the villain's evil plan. The word crucial comes from the Latin crux, meaning a cross. Today, crux means the decisive or most important point of an issue. And it's very similar actually to the meaning of crucial. It's about importance. Can you think of anything that is crucial? Maybe your parents might say, it's crucial we leave at 8:30 a.m. so you get to school on time, or maybe before that. Or it's crucial the sports team work together to ensure they win the tournament. In Finding Nemo, it is crucial that Dory and Nemo's dad work together to try to find Nemo. Crucial is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, it was crucial we made it to the airport on time so we didn't miss our flight. Crucial is defined in the dictionary as decisive or critical, especially in the success or failure of something. Crucial synonyms include pivotal, critical, key, decisive, determining, settling, testing, trying, searching, major, and significant. Antonyms include minor, inessential, insignificant, optional, and secondary. See if you can notice anything crucial today. Perhaps it's an important event in your day. Impress your friends and family by telling them, this event is crucial. Okay, well, have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.